central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 8:45 p.m. At 8:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wheeling, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, a 60 miles per hour wind gust was measured at Milwaukee Airport. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Northbrook, Winnetka, Highwood, Northfield, Deerfield, Glenview, Highland Park, Gulf, Glencoe, Lincolnshire, Arlington Heights, Wheeling, Bannockburn, Lake Forest, Riverwoods, Prospect Heights, Buffalo Grove, Mount Prospect, Morton Grove, Niles, Wilmette, Park Ridge, Lake Bluff, Des Plaines, and Palatine. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's